Good morning, students. Myself Tendal Alpa. Today we are going to learn memory and storage. Next part. Memory and storage. What we learned in last video कि the memory of computer is of two types, and then that is internal memory and external memory. And again internal memory is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM, and then external memory is again divided in three parts, hard disk, CD DVD and flash disk. We already learned about RAM and ROM, and that is the part of internal memory. Now we know that internal memory is also called the primary memory or a main memory. It is the built-in memory designed to store data and instructions while the computer is working. Now let us discuss about the RAM. RAM stores the information temporarily and works like a blackboard. We can say that it is work like a calculator. And what is ROM? ROM is like an audio disc which can be played, but we cannot record anything on it except in a few selected circumstances. Means ROM is a read-only memory. Now today we are going to discuss new topic, external memory. Now what is the external memory? It is used to store the information for a longer period. Data is not lost even when the computer is turned off. The external memory is essential because the internal storage of a computer is less. See, in memory unit there are two parts, internal and external. So internal memory का storage less है comparative to external memory. It is also called the secondary memory. Now storage devices. Storage is a place where we keep the things. In our daily life, we are using storage devices like cupboard, bookshelf, refrigerator, school bag, etc. A computer is also uses various storage devices that vary in storage and capacity like hard disks, pen drive, CD, USB flash drive, card reader writer, etc. These are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. Now we already learnt about the volatile and non-volatile. Now portable storage devices. First is hard disk, next is CD, then DVD, then Blu-ray disc, then flash drive and then multimedia card. Let us discuss about the hard disk. Look at the picture. Hard disk is nothing but a multiple disk. We can say that a bunch of multiple disk. It is a main storage medium. A hard disk drive stores information. It is fixed inside CPU box. It can store large amount of data. Means a hard disk can store up to 2 TB to 5 TB, terabyte. TB means terabyte. Now let us discuss about CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage media. It is thin circular disc with a reflective metal coating. A CD can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound images, and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software also. Now, DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc or a digital video disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. When the question of quality, DVD is better than the CD. DVD is similar to CD and it is same shape wise and size wise is the same but can store a huge amount of information. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Now Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc, it is a new optical disc format. It can store up to 25 GB on its single side and 50 GB on dual side. This disc has same dimension as that of a DVD and CD. It is mainly used to store high quality sound, games, movies and data. This disc has derived its name Blu-ray disc from the blue-violet laser which is used to read and write data on this type of disc. Now, flash drive. It is popularly known as the pen drive. It has replaced floppy drive. See students, I already show you the picture of floppy drive. First, earlier when pen drives are not existing, then floppy drives are used for the backup and storage as a storage medium. It is the most popular backup devices in earlier days. Now next topic is point is it is most popular backup device. It is plug and play device. Just we have to insert in CPU box and we can start our work. Lekin before that we have to scan the pen drive to avoid the virus attack from our system. It is copying and moving data from one computer to another. Why? It is used for copying and moving a data from one computer to another, and we can say that from one mobile to computer means any system we can copy and moving a data with pen drive. It is small, lightweight, removable and rewritable. Then we can delete the older one data and replace it with our new one data. It can store up to 1 GB of data and it should be faster also. Now multimedia card. It is a flash memory card. It is used as a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, players and camera. Where it is used like mobiles, players, camera, right? It can easily be removed for access by a computer. These devices transfer image, music files into the computer using multimedia card reader which can be connected through USB cable. Now, a multimedia card is small in size, approximately the size of postage stamp. Multimedia cards are available in the various sizes with storage capacities ranging up to 128 GB. Now, what we learned from this chapter: first, memory stores the data and instructions for the future use. Then, the storage devices like CD, DVD, Blu ray disc, and flash drives are the most popular storage devices. Then, types of memory: first is primary memory, then secondary memory. Now, about hard disk. It is fixed inside CPU and it contains all the data. Next, Blu-ray disc store up to 50 GB of data, but dual side, single side 25 GB. Then flash disk is plug and play device used for copying and moving a data from one computer to another. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay healthy. Goodbye, children.